If the app crashes instantly, don't reinstall it yet. Here's how to fix the bug. First of all, restart your phone. Then on Android, clear cache. On iPhone, open your settings app, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, look for the US bank, and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, head over to your app store and then search for US bank mobile banking and then update your app. Disable battery saver or low power mode if you're using that, and then reinstall only if crashes continue. Tip: low storage causes startup crashes. And that's it. Subscribe.